Hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you a very popular Chinese dish, 西红柿炒鸡蛋. It is probably the very first dish every Chinese learned to cook. There is also a famous debate in China. 西红柿炒鸡蛋放不放糖? Whether to add sugar to 西红柿炒鸡蛋 or not. It's kind of like the debate of adopting a kitten or a puppy as your pet. Well, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to prepare your ingredients. Here are all the ingredients you need for this dish. 西红柿、鸡蛋、葱、盐、糖和番茄酱. So this is my normal practice. 一个西红柿对3个鸡蛋. First, to cut the tomato. Cut off the top and throw it away. Then cut the rest of it into big pieces. In Chinese, we say 把西红柿切成大块. Now get the green onion and cut off the root. We're going to cut the white part of the onion into thicker slices and use it to flavor the eggs. And then cut the green part of the onion into thin slices. This is used as a garnish in the end. Now crack the eggs into a bowl. Crack the eggs in Chinese is 磕鸡蛋. Add the salt, 加盐, and the white part of the onion. Then start to beat the eggs really hard. Beat the egg, 搅鸡蛋. Turn the heat on to high, and then add some oil and let it spread out on the bottom of the pan. Then you can add in the egg mix and let it spread. When the outside of the eggs start to set, pull the edges in so the uncooked egg will lose out and start to be cooked. Stir the eggs and keep stirring the eggs using your spatula until they become smaller pieces. Then you can turn the heat down a little bit. This technique in Chinese cooking is called 炒. When the eggs are well done, take them out and put aside. Now we can start to stir fry the tomatoes. Add the ketchup, sugar, and salt, and mix them together. Then cover the pan with a lid and let it stay for 1 minute. When you have this beautiful tomato sauce, mix it with the eggs. Mix them a few times more until it looks good to you. Now we can slide the dish into the plate. The last step is to garnish your dish with the green onion slices. Okay, I'm done. It was easy, right? And it is so good to eat with steamed rice. Alright, this is it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.